So welcome back to a new video with us, Rainbow Stuff. And today we're gonna start a new sessions with me, Nadin. Now it's Let's Talk time and time to talk with Nadine. What are you like? In today's video, we are going to talk about what are you like? Which place can describe yourself or your personality? So we have a mall, beach, library, and amusement park. Which one can describe you? Which kind of places do you like the most or the least? For me, I would like the beach and mall. And the place that I don't like or the least place I would like is amusement park. Now what about you? Tell us in the comments which place do you like the most or the least. What are you like vocabs? Now we have a group of words we would like to share with you. And the first word that are related to our subject is busy and crowded. Now if you look at the picture, you're gonna see a street full of people, which means this street is busy or crowded. Exciting. Now if you look at the picture, you are going to see an amusement park, and when we go to amusement park you would feel a lot of feelings, happy, enthusiastic. That would describe the word exciting. Relaxing. Now if you want to take a space and time by your own in order to think about your future plans, about your life, you can go to a quiet place and try to relax. And that's it with relaxing. Calm. Calm. If you look at the pictures, you are going to see a sea and only one person. And a calm place, which means that there a place where there's no sound, no one, a place where it's only yourself, and it's a calm. So it's a calm place. Dull. Dull. When you get bored so easily, you can describe it as a dull. Dull. Noisy. Noisy. When we go up to a place where there are a lot of people and there are a lot of sounds, you can say that this place is noisy. Quiet. Quiet. Now if you look at the picture, we are going to see a library, a place where we can study, read, or do our researches. So you have to be quiet in order to focus, which means making no sounds. That's it with quiet. Solitary. Solitary, which means a person who would prefer to be alone by himself. Solitary. Solitary. Now we have a group of questions that we can discuss together. What is your favorite place? The place that you would prefer to spend your time at. So for example, my favorite place is a coffee shop near the university. My favorite place is a coffee shop near the university. Why do you like it? Why do you like it? I like the coffee shop near the university. Okay, just tell us the reason. So I like it because it's quiet and a calm place. I love to go there with my friends. Now if I like a calm and quiet place, what does this say about your personality or my personality? Let's say that I'm a quiet person and I don't like crowded places. Before we continue our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel, Rainbow Stuff. And the first word is claim. Claim has more than one meaning, and they are demand or require. The second word is claim. Claim. Claim also can come as a verb or noun. And the first example, the inquiry blamed the engineer for the accident. The inquiry blamed the engineer for the accident. The word blamed here came as verb. They are trying to put the blame on us. To put the blame on us. So blame here came as noun. Convert. convert is to transfer to something. So he is a recent convert to the church. He is a recent convert to the church. Essential. Essential, which means a thing that is absolutely necessary, extremely important. So something so important and necessary. For example, fiber is an essential ingredient. Fiber is an essential ingredient, which means it's necessary and important. Provide is to give something. These clubs provide a much appreciated service for this area. These clubs provide a much appreciated service for this area. Pronouns as the adjective of sentences. They are my, their, our, its, her, his, your. Pronouns as the adjective of sentences. They are my, their, our, its, her, his, your. Adjective pronouns examples. The blue car is my brother's. Present tense. The blue car is for my brothers. So I would say that the blue car is already my brother's, which means where is already your done. Sister. So where is keyword your sister? So I'm asking yesterday. Tell me about the place where last I could find your sister. 2019. Where is your sister? In the past. The day before did his car these are cost? The most important that keywords. I know that this car is and for also him. We will focus on the verbs that can come in the past. Did his car cost, which is the past of does and do. And did here can come for the singular and plural. Where instead of are, and it's also for the plural. Was for the singular, and instead of using am, we will use I was. I was. And in general, that we have to use verb to for the past. Past review. Where were you born? How can we know that this sentence is used in the simple past? Well, because of where instead of using are. So, where were you born? I was born in America. I was born in America. Did your family come to? We have to see that or to focus or to understand that after did, does and do, we have verb 1. So, did your family come to? Yes, they did. We all came. Did you grow up there? Did you grow up there? Yes, I did. I lived there. That's it with this video and this session. See you next video and be ready to learn English. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.